Today we're going to be cooking chicken wings on the barbecue. We're using the S&S Kettle BBQ with the slow and sear insert. Alright, so we've seasoned these up. Now it would be recommended to put them in the fridge uncovered for a few hours just to dry them out, and then you get that nice crispy skin. We're hungry, we're going to cook them straight away. Alright, so today we're going to be using the Flaming Coals lump charcoal. As you can see, you got nice big lumps in there. One thing a lot of people don't know is these chimney stars have slots across the bottom there. They're actually designed for the starter ones to go in. Pop it in, switch it on, and sit back. Good shit. Am I allowed to say that?
Yeah.
Awesome.